So fam, I just want to say this is the first video I've had since I had my stroke, so I'm really happy to be here. Anyways, without further ado, let me go into these solar lights that I installed, or my sons installed them. For anyone who wants a full story on my stroke and what I went through, that's a different video, and you'll find it on the channel. But other than that, let's continue. So I bought these solar lights because the ones I had on the house were dead. I mean, they weren't coming on anymore, and they were kind of old. I had them for like 4 years, 5 years maybe. So I saw these lights on Amazon, and I thought that they were exactly what I needed. So let me just go into a little bit of this here. So right here, supposedly this is brand new for 2023. So I basically bought it for everything that it said right here. You can watch this for yourself, but what he's saying is actually true. I mean, they are really good lights, and they do provide a lot of light. Let me just go into a few more. You can watch this yourself by going to the Amazon site. I'll put the link in the description below. You can see it for yourself, but they really are good. Alright, so I'm gonna stop right there. But basically, these are really good lights. They do everything they say they do. If you get them right now, they're actually on sale. So I'm not getting paid for this video. I'm not getting paid for the company, so you'll see what I'm talking about. Anyways, so I'm gonna let you see the video of me, the lights that I have in my yard, the way I have them on the house. I didn't use the small bracket. I actually put them right against the wall. And you'll see what I'm talking about when you see the lights on the wall. Anyways, I'll let you watch the video, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here they are on the wall. So I didn't put these up. My oldest son did, and my younger son helped. So right here, let me see if I can get close enough. I don't know if you can see that, but right here is where we had to drill the hole. So we drilled 2 holes into the wall, then we put in some anchors, and finally some screws. So the patches are where the other lights were, and we took those down and put these up. So they came out pretty good. Right here is the solar panel. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah. So overall, I think they look pretty good. So later I'll come out when it gets darker, so you can see how they look when the light is on. But so far, pretty nice. Alright, it's a little bit darker now, so I came back out. Yeah, they are. So you can see how they look with the lights on. As you can see, it's pretty bright. So is a close up. Pretty bright. I mean, looks like garbage back here, but pretty bright. So wait till it goes off and you'll see how dark it is. Give it 1 second. Yeah, see? So, pretty bright. Anyways, that's all, and I'll see you all next time. Alright, so I changed my background as you can see. Anyways, so this right here is the bracket I was talking about. I don't have this on the wall. I screwed it right into the wall itself using the 2 holes that are on the light itself. So I think it came out very well. It's real sturdy. It won't go anywhere, and I really don't need these. Anyways, so that's basically what I have today. One more thing before I go, the shirt that I'm wearing is my own design, and let me just go to the website here. Right here's this shirt, this Jamaican Independence t-shirt. So this right here is my own design, and I have quite a bit, a whole lot more. One for the ladies especially. All this is for the women, the ladies of our lives. So just go ahead and go to the site. I'm going to put the link below so you can go directly to this site, and always, give them and show me as much love as possible. I went through a lot. I'm going through a lot. I'm trying to recover as best as I can, but the love of all you people will help me with the recovery process. So subscribe, comment, like, share, and always come back and check out the new videos. All right.